And we're back, continuing from last week. Got the boat pulled, getting ready to take the lower unit out, see what's going on with the impeller. So that's what we're going to start with today. It's going to be metric. So I'm just kind of checking the block out, making sure there's no holes or nothing in the water jacket. That's where I replaced the thermostat with a nice shiny new gasket. Other new gaskets. Motors come with their own tripod here. You just put that skag right into the soft ground. And now we move to look at this water pump. Isn't that fun? Everything looks good there. Look at this impeller. Got some dish shape, some not. Yep, that little. A small chunk missing. We got ourselves a real Yamaha genuine, so we're just gonna replace it. Take a moment, bend you up here, see my thumb. I just want to look at these two and see if there's an actual difference. I don't see a difference, only this is new and this has wear on it other than this one fin here. It's got a little chunk missing and it has no bend, and I just don't see that causing the issue. So I don't know. We're gonna start here. Oh, you cannot lose this little piece. Hi, get over here. Not kidding. Brandy, get over here. Tell you what, the Yamaha goes on a lot tighter than the other one did, so maybe that's the issue. Problem is I can't. Alright, we gotta lay this down across the cowling. I can see. There we go. Alright, impeller on. So, we saw that the impeller does have a little chunk missing. I don't know if that shouldn't affect the amount of drizzle. So I'm gonna get this thing put back together, and then we're gonna get it on the water today. So we'll see you on the water. Hi. I know I probably said I was going to take it to the water, and then I realized, hey, I have muffs. So, change out the impeller. I'm going to go turn the water on. We're going to fire this thing up and see if the factory OEM impeller is better than the Amazon aftermarket. I had hoping this fixes my problem, but I mean, you can see it's just something happened to these tips. There's no way this little bit caused that. But I will say the OEM impeller did fit a lot better. So I'm gonna go turn water on, and we're gonna see what's up. Alright, so what you saw me doing, it's not throwing water out near like it did before I replaced the thermostat. So it's got a brand new thermostat in it. And based on reading, I'm obviously not an outboard mechanic, but my water pressure is fluctuating as well as temperature between the thermostat opening and closing. We'll take the boat out later on and see if it runs and pees properly. From what I can tell, it's not getting overly hot. I can sit there and hold the water, so it's staying under 100 degrees. So 100, you know, it's not hot tub water, it's just warm water. So, alright, let's get back to our regular attempting to fish and entertain you all. That is checking out the impeller. Alright, we're back at it. We got a motor working. See here, peeing properly. That is one proper stream. So, note to self, note to the world. Don't use Amazon parts. Use OEM manufactured parts. It will save you headache and time. So, that's my PSA for today. The plan of attack. There's some pilings out here that don't look like they belong to any Karens. So I am gonna go anchor up. I've got some frozen shrimp. I've got some fake shrimp, whatever they're called. And I'm gonna try the sheep's head again. So away we go. We'll be back when we're at the spot. Alright, so I'm near death on a battery, but we're at the fishy pylons, if you can see them behind me. And we're gonna start with just a shrimp. And I may throw a float in, I don't know. Right now, motor's working great. It's not super hot. Oops, I'll bleep that out later. It's not even sunny. It's just kind of overcast and gonna rock and roll it. So here we go. Ooh. We got some takers, boys and girls. We got some takers. I know why nobody fishes here. The bugs are phenomenal. Every episode. See if we can let her loose. Right now. We are not going to get baits right now. That sucks. Oh well. Set it to tying something new on right now. We're just gonna switch to top water and see what happens. I'd love to catch something on this thing, just for giggles. Bugs win. Ugh, no, they don't. I will push through. So if you remember earlier, I said my battery was near death. It was. It died at the exact moment a fish hit my voodoo shrimp. I don't know what the fish was. It hit it and then popped off. So please enjoy the outro of me cleaning the boat, as you should every time you pull the boat out of the water. We are going to continue this adventure. Thank you for following along. Got a couple more spots. We're going to check out some bridges for some sheep's head. And coming up soon, Saturday, is snapper season. I'm going to have all 5 batteries charged up for that. Really hoping that snapper season is a magical, beautiful day. So, thank you very much for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. I love making these. I make the videos for me, but for your entertainment. So, we'll see you next week.